Hi everyone, I'm Frank Jimenez with the BUILDERALL team. In this video, I will demonstrate how to make changes to your membership registration theme. First, remember you have to create a restricted area. Now down here, you see two areas with a little red dot on the left corner. This is my restricted membership area. To create a restricted area, all you have to do is go up to the top, select Create Members Area, and then follow the menu as you go through, and you will set a restricted area. Once this has been set, you'll have a Site Members menu option that you can go in here and make adjustments to. So for this example, we're going to go in and make adjustments to the area form. Now here at the top of the page, you have what the login will look like once they select Login. You can go in and add a field. We're going to leave it just as it is. I'm going to close this up. Next, we have Form Theme. Now here is what your default form will look like. Okay, it does indicate register here, but basically the action that you want your button to perform is based off of how you go in to the actual button and set it. So when you go in to set the link of the button, it's going to have options like login. Do you want that button to register? And I think there are a few other options. Now the look of this can be changed. So you can go here to the drop down menu, select 3 tabs where you will have sign in, register, and remember. 2 tabs, sign in and register, and 2 columns. Now for this example, we're going to go ahead and use the 3 tabs. I'm sorry, there was also in the block. So again, let's go into the 3 tabs. Okay, we've selected that. Now you can go in and select your background color. I'm going to go ahead and leave it as is. Now here is a background image. Now this doesn't necessarily mean that when you select and this login window shows up, right, that you're going to have a background image here. Alright, so now that we've selected the image, now you have the option for background repeat, background image size, access denied. In my message here, I have it so it says restricted area, please select buy now to purchase membership. And here, it will redirect them to the home page. I selected yes. Now let's go in and select save and go take a look. And I'll explain how this all works. Okay, so here we are at the home page. Okay, now my home page might have other things about nutrition, maybe about a blog, but anything related specifically to members, right? I've created a different home page where members can go in to log in. So when they click on that, it now takes them to the members homepage where they can buy now or log in. I thought I would explain that to avoid confusion. So here, if I select login, here comes my login screen or my register screen all in one. So I can go in and sign in if I'm a existing member, or I can go in and select register. Okay, so here I'm registering for the website, but remember it's a paid website. I have to go in and make a purchase. So if you're using this method and someone goes to register and they select confirm, this is where you'll have a message that shoots up with the image, and the message is simply restricted area. Please select buy now to purchase membership. They can then go to the home page. It will redirect them where they can go back to the members home page or just simply select the buy now button. And it will take them to making a purchase for membership. And that is how you make changes to your membership registration theme. So in this video, I showed you that you have to create a membership restricted area first before you can access your membership menu options. I then walked you through how to make changes to your registration theme for your website. I hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, I'm Frank Jimenez with the BUILDERALL team.